Children, happy Children's Day. Based on Children's Day, I want to ask certain questions. Okay. On which day is Children's Day celebrated internationally? Yes, you are right. 20th November. Okay. Next question. When did Pandit Nehru got Bharat Ratna? When did Pandit Nehru got Bharat Ratna? In the year 1953. Yes, you are right. Next question. What is the name of Nehru's residence as Prime Minister, now a museum in his memory? Once again, what is the name of Nehru's residence as Prime Minister, now a museum in his memory? Teen Murthy Bhavan. Yes, you are right. Teen Murthy Bhavan. Next question. Name the two important books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Can you say? Yes. Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History. Yes. Next question. Who wrote to whom a collection of letters called Letter from a Father to His Daughter? Yes, you are right. Indira Gandhi. Yes. Next question. Listen very carefully. When and to whom Indian Council for Child Welfare presented in the first National Bravery Award? Yes, Harish Chandra in 1958. Next question. Bharat A Khoj, a popular Indian TV serial, is based on which book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Once again, Bharat A Khoj, a popular Indian TV serial, is based on which book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Discovery of India. Yes. Next question. Who was the political mentor of Nehru during his early political career in Indian National Congress? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Name the newspaper started by Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the newspaper started by Jawaharlal Nehru. National Herald. National Herald. Next question. Listen very carefully. Where is Nehru Center located? Where is Nehru Center located? Mumbai. Yes. Next question. Listen very carefully. Name the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru who became the first female president. Name the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru who became the first female president. Yes, you are right. Vijay Lakshmi. Next question. Name the Samadhi of Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the Samadhi of Jawaharlal Nehru. Shantivan. Yes, you are right. Shantivan. Next question. How many times Nehru was imprisoned in jail? How many times Nehru was imprisoned in jail? 9 times. Next question. Which part of the Constitution was prepared by Jawaharlal Nehru? Which part of the Constitution was prepared Jawaharlal Nehru? Preamble. Next question. Name the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru. Swarup Rani. Name the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru. Swarup Rani. Next question. When was Nehru first elected as Congress President? 1929. Purna Swaraj resolution in the Lahore session. Nehru was elected as the Congress President. Next question. When did Nehru got Bharat Ratna? In the year 1955. When did Jawaharlal Nehru died? In 1964, May 27. Which country attacked India in 1962? China. When Nehru became Prime Minister of independent India, he delivered an inaugural address to the nation which has been given special name. What is the name? What is that name? A trust with destiny. A trust with destiny. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.